there are some prerequisites that you must meet in order to serve as an academic at SATS. They come from two main sources. Some of them come from the nature of SATS as an organization, while others derive from the higher education framework in South Africa within which we serve. Actually, there is only one requirement that comes from the higher education framework, and that is that you must hold an accredited degree that is at least one level higher than the courses you are teaching. This means that you can teach in a 3-year BTH program if you have an honors degree or equivalent. You can teach at the honors level if you have a master's degree in a relevant field, obviously. We have a number of SATS-based requirements. These are grounded in the nature of SATS. In other words, because of the kind of organization that SATS is, all those who represent it at a teaching level must meet certain basic requirements. Firstly, we're a Christian seminary. We teach Christian theology. Therefore, you must be a committed Christian with a personal testimony of saving faith in Jesus Christ. If you're not a Christian, how can you teach for a Christian seminary? Stands to reason. Second, we're a confessional seminary. Therefore, you must be in agreement with our doctrinal convictions. Our doctrinal convictions are fairly minimalist, but we do need all our faculty to agree with them. If you do not agree with our beliefs, how can you teach our courses? Third, we are a distance education seminary. Therefore, you must agree with our philosophy of distance education. If you don't believe in what we do and how we do it, how can you teach for us? Fourth, we're a higher education institution. Therefore, you must value academic excellence and abide by the norms and regulations that govern higher education. Fifth, we are a technology-dependent seminary. Therefore, you've got to feel at home in our technological world. Sixth, we are accredited in English and in French. Therefore, you must be able to speak and write at least one of those languages correctly and fluently. In other words, you can see that all of the requirements for our academic staff flow out of either the national framework or the nature of SATS as an institution. In this unit, we are going to unpack these requirements and a few others in greater detail.